A mystery package has arrived and I want to know what is it. So let's see what is this. Oh, mystery weapons. This is poultry selection in gravy. Viscous. That's the cat food. Okay, this is the one of the packages which is the biggest. Oh, what is this? It looks like a dew shield. And what is this one? I don't know. Let me open it. Oh, let's open it. Oh, this is a Meade telescope. Oh, can I hold my telescope? That is beautiful, Meade telescope. Oh, that's the UHTC ultra high transmission contrast. What size is it? It looks like it's smaller than the ETX 125, so it must be ETX 105, which is the next size. Small. Oh, that is beautiful. Remove this cap. Okay, the cap is twisted. Oh, look at this optics. So clean. So beautiful. Oh, I'm really excited. So I have shown that this Meade ETX actually 105, quite heavy. Maksutov telescopes are not lightweight. Can easily stand on this Bosch and Lump sturdy tripod. The foot extends around to 1 foot, and the height is around 30 centimeters. Yeah. So I think the extension of the feet is 40 centimeters, and the height is around 30 centimeters. Really sturdy, really good, sturdy, and the whole optics excellent. I wish I could actually adjust it here. I don't have the time for that, but look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful piece of optics.